Welcome to our training session on incident management. Training objectives. This training equips Georgia OneWell healthcare employees with the necessary knowledge to handle incidents effectively while ensuring participant safety, compliance, and rights protection. 1. Understanding incidents. Definition: any event that impacts a participant's health, safety, or rights. Examples of incidents: falls, medication errors, abuse, neglect, exploitation, hospitalization, elopement, property damage. Non-incidents: situations resolved without harm, e.g., a spilled drink with no injury. 2. Types of incidents and response actions. A. Critical incidents require immediate reporting 24 hours. 1. Abuse, physical, emotional, sexual. Stop care, comfort the participant, report to Adult Protective Services, APS. 2. Neglect, failure to provide care. Address medical needs, report to Georgia Department of Public Health, DPH. 3. Exploitation, misuse of participant resources. Freeze accounts, report to Georgia DPH and law enforcement. 4. Serious injury/death. Call 911, notify family, report to Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS. 5. Hospitalization, unplanned admission. Submit unanticipated injury form within 24 hours. 6. Medication errors. Report errors in the medication error tracker if harm occurs. 7. Elopement, unsupervised departure. Search area, notify 911, submit a report to Vulnerable Adult Registry. 8. Property damage, accidental or intentional. Document damage and implement safety measures. B. Non-critical incidents, report within 72 hours, minor disputes. Behavioral issues, small property damage. 3. Incident reporting and documentation. Who reports? All staff members who witness or become aware of an incident. When to report? Critical incidents, within 24 hours, APS, DPH, CMS. Non-critical incidents, within 72 hours, internal documentation. Required details: participant's name, DOB, Medicaid ID date, time, and location of the incident. Actions taken: first aid, contacting 911, reporting to authorities, APS, DPH, CMS. Participant rights and humanitarian approaches. Rights include dignity, privacy, HIPAA, safety, informed consent, freedom from retaliation. Humanitarian care, person-centered approach, tailor care plans to individual needs. Trauma-informed practices, recognize signs of distress and avoid re-traumatization. De-escalation techniques, use calm communication to prevent conflicts. Preventive strategies for incident management. Risk assessments, conduct home safety inspections, fall risks, equipment checks. Staff training, annual mandatory reporting and de-escalation training. Participant and family engagement, educate families on incident prevention and emergency response. Environmental safety, install non-slip mats, adequate lighting, emergency preparedness kits. Post-incident reviews and continuous improvement. Root cause analysis, RCA identify causes of incidents, e.g., repeated falls in a specific area. Action plans, implement corrective and preventive measures, staff training, safety adjustments. Compliance, submit root cause analysis reports to Georgia DPH within 30 days. Maintain incident records for 7 years, per Georgia law. Role of direct care providers in recognizing trends. Monitor and document, track frequent falls, medication errors, behavioral changes. Analyze data, identify patterns and high-risk participants. Communicate and collaborate, report findings to supervisors, care teams, and regulatory agencies. Family involvement in incident management. Encourage families to report safety concerns. Train families in emergency preparedness and basic first aid/CPR. Ensure HIPAA-compliant authorization before discussing care with family members. Compliance and documentation checklist. Report critical incidents to APS/DPH within 24 hours. Submit post-incident reviews and RCA reports within 30 days. Update staff training and care plans based on incident findings. Retain records for 7 years per Georgia DCH policies. Conduct quarterly reviews of incident data for continuous improvement. Final reminders for staff. Act immediately, ensure participant safety first. Document thoroughly, provide detailed reports following state guidelines. Stay updated, regularly review Georgia Medicaid policies and CMS regulations. Encourage a culture of safety, proactive risk management protects participants and providers. Thank you for watching the Incident Management module. Please answer the questions for this training before moving on to the next training module.